Hello my friend, welcome to my winter wonderland. As you can see, there's basically a whiteout behind me. There's a huge mountain range back there, but you can't see it because there's so much snow coming down. There's a storm coming in. It's not super windy right now, but it was earlier. I got a bunch of new camping gear. I wanted to try it out, so we're gonna trek up into the mountains through this Arctic tundraland. Hopefully I don't freeze to death. I got a 0-degree sleeping bag, a brand new tent. I want to bring you along on this adventure, so let's get going. I think this looks like a good spot to set up camp. Got some mossy trees, the wind has died down. There's a low fog. Sun was peeking out earlier, but I'm gonna get started. Gotta get all the divots out so it's nice and smooth. I want to sleep in a ditch. It's a 5-star hotel right here. I'm gonna let my floor freeze over and get nice and hard because I don't want the Hannah Hotel to be super lumpy. In the meantime, I'm gonna make myself a nice hot cup of superfood mushroom coffee. If you didn't check out my last video, I have a pure earth mushroom coffee. It's got 7 superfood mushrooms and instant coffee. It's perfect for situations like this. It's definitely delicious, and if you want to support my channel, check out the link below so you can learn more about it. I'm going to use this nifty little stove right here. This thing is great. It's my new favorite tool. You can boil water in just a couple minutes. It has a wind cover, so in windy situations like this, you don't have to worry about your flame going out. It's great for boiling water, for making coffee and tea, and for making meals when you're outside in the woods. First part done. Holy moly, that was a lot harder than I expected. This is the first time I've ever put a tent together in the snow. Disclaimer, it's not as easy as 1, 2, 3. And my camera battery died right in the middle of it, but it's successfully assembled, and I can't wait to get inside away from the wind because it is really chilly out here. So now we're gonna check out the inside and build out the inside of Hannah Hotel. So this is the inside of my little hotel that I made. Hotel Hannah. It's nice and cozy. It's nice and toasty in here. I got my 0-degree sleeping bag. Do you approve? How do you like it? I'm gonna make some food later, some beef stroganoff. It's crazy that this tent actually blocks the wind like super well. I was really cold out there, but once you get inside, it blocks the wind excellent. Like I don't have any wind at all right now. and it makes a huge difference in temperature, so I'm a lot warmer in here. I definitely would recommend at least a 0-degree sleeping bag. I know there's a lot out there that are like 32, 15s. But if you're going to be out in the snow and you're going to be in a snowstorm, I would 100% recommend at least a 0-degree. It's definitely worth the money. In honesty, I thought I was going to turn into an ice pop, so I had to rip this tent up so I wasn't going to turn into a piece of ice in the snow. But it's super cool to be inside this little four-season tent when there's snow falling on you and there's just peace and quiet. And you get to feel like a mummy in the sleeping bag. Watch. I look a little disheveled right now. I apologize. Okay, show's over. Time to go to sleep. If I don't turn into a popsicle, you better make sure you subscribe so you don't miss my next adventure. Bye! It's pretty warm. I am starting to be able to feel my toes again.